connecting the dots to discover the true spirit. I'm waking up to a beautiful melody of nature. Vibrant colors influence the soul. Green that speaks bliss guides me to begin my day with an aspiration. Hi, I'm ashwinirudrakshi. Welcome to my channel. I'm on a journey to explore the creative realm. Come join me to see the beautiful world that I am grateful to have around me. Objects that narrate the story makes them come alive to tell the greatest glory. My soulmate who believes in me stands as a pillar of strength. Relaxing in nature is a meditative process that I really enjoy indulging in. Having empathy towards time is an essential factor in my creative process. I look for magic in every moment that I see. As an artist, I value reflecting upon my thoughts. With the sun shimmering in my studio, I see a new ray of hope every single day. I significantly take action to express the freedom in my art. As they say, a goal without a plan is just a dream. I say, dive into colors to follow your goal and create a path for your dream.